Hello students, this is Dr. Saurabh Rajaram Mhatre from Shri RLT College of Science, Akola. So today we are going to start new chapter, Excretion and Osmoregulation. So we all know that array of chemical processes occurs in our body. So these all body processes which are performed in an organisms, so some total of these processes are called as metabolism, and metabolism is the main characteristics of the living organism. So metabolism involves mainly two types of processes. First one is a catabolism and another one is a anabolism. So catabolism means breaking down and anabolism means building up. So breaking down process is known as catabolism process and building up process is known as anabolism process. These two main processes involve in the metabolism. Metabolism produces a variety of byproducts, some of which are need to be eliminated, such as byproducts are called as metabolic waste products. So these metabolic waste products should be eliminated. So metabolism is basically about the catabolism and anabolism, means breaking down and building up. So metabolic waste products might be fluid, gaseous, organic or inorganic substances. Depending upon the type, they are eliminated through various organs of the body of an organism. Depending on the type, they are eliminated through various organs of the body of an organism. So excretion and excretory products. Elimination of metabolic waste products from the body is called as excretion. Elimination of metabolic waste products from the body is called as excretion. Unlike the digestive wastes, which are primarily composed of the unabsorbed or undigested substances that have never entered the cells, metabolic waste are the produced inside the body cells. Metabolic waste are the produced inside the body cells. So we can enlist various excretory waste products produced in human body in fluid categories such as water, gaseous waste like carbon dioxide, nitrogenous waste like ammonia, urea and uric acid, creatinine, mineral salts of sodium, potassium, calcium, etc., which, if they are present in the body in excess, are excreted through urine, feces and sweat. The pigments formed due to breakdown of hemoglobin are like bilirubin, which is excreted through the feces, and urochrome eliminated through urine. Also the pigments present in foodstuffs like beetroot consumed by the organism, excess of vitamins, hormones and drugs taken are eliminated. Spices we consume contain volatile substances that are excreted through lungs. So body of organism can store excess carbohydrates and fats, but is unable to store excess amino acid. It is very important. Body of organism can store excess of carbohydrates and fats, but it is unable to store excess of amino acids. Hence, excess of amino acids are essentially broken down by the process called as deamination. Deamination. So in the process of deamination, amino group is separated from amino acid. Amino group is separated from the amino acid, and ammonia is formed by the removal of the amino group which are separated from the amino acid. Then remaining is the ammonia. Ammonia is formed, but toxic ammonia is either excreted as it is further converted into less toxic form like urea and uric acid before excretion. So toxic ammonia is either excreted as it is or further converted or less toxic form like urea and uric acid before excretion. So there is no clear correlation between phylogenetic relationship of organisms and their major excretory products, but its habitat has this relationship. Example is tadpole of frog excrete ammonia, and adult frog mostly are ureotelic. Some terrestrial turtle excrete uric acid, whereas other excrete urea and ammonia. So there are phylogenetic relationship of organisms between their correlation between their phylogenetic relationships and their excretory products. So animals can be broadly classified on the three types based on the nitrogenous waste they produce. First of all, ammonia is the basic product of deamination process, but it is due to highly toxicity. So it is highly toxic, hence it is also diluted immediately. Due to their toxicity, it is to be diluted immediately. If there is no or limited access to water, need for the conversion of ammonia becomes necessary. Thus, availability of water plays a key role in deciding mode of excretion of an organism. So this is all about excretion and excretory products. So there are mainly three types of animals depending upon their excretory products. We will see these animals in next lesson, next period. For today, thank you, students.